Hi, welcome to our fourth episode of acne series. Today I am going to talk about treatment of acne. I am Dr. Girish Sang, Chief Dermatologist and Founder Director of Skin Zone Clinic, Mumbai. In our last episode, we saw the causes of acne, and anything that clogs the pores can cause the acne. So, stay away from the use of oily creams, stay away from facials and avoid the use of waxing, especially on your face, upper back and arms. Use of makeup can cause the acne. So, if at all you have to use makeup, use water based makeup and avoid the oil based creams. Anything that irritates the skin can cause the acne. So, do not touch your face or do not rest your cheek on your palms while you are sitting or you are sleeping. Even glycemic food can cause the acne. So, stay away from sweets, pastries and cakes and avoid the use of butter, cheese and milk. Wash your face frequently 2 to 3 times a day. Dab it dry slowly and gently. If you have to use moisturizers, use acne friendly moisturizers and avoid the use of comedogenic sunscreens. If you have mild acne, that is papules and few comedones like blackheads and whiteheads, then you can apply OTC products like creams containing benzoyl peroxide, niacinamide and salicylic acid. Apply them once at night and you can use acne friendly moisturizers during daytime. If your acne do not improve within a period of 6 to 8 weeks or you start developing some nodules and pustules on your face, then this is the time you should see dermatologist, and we at our clinic can help you to improve your acne. If you have mild acne, then we at our clinic can treat you with the topical creams containing either antibiotics, retinoids or benzoyl peroxide. Very commonly, the creams used are in combination, that is retinoids with antibiotics or retinoids with benzoyl peroxide or benzoyl peroxide and antibiotics. Sometimes these creams can cause dryness and irritation of your skin. If this happens, go back to your doctor and seek his advice. Many times, if your acne do not improve with topical creams alone over a period of 6 to 8 weeks, then your dermatologist may add oral medications. Oral medications can be in the form of antibiotics and retinoids. Usually you are given antibiotics and topical creams together. Sometimes you can develop side effects because of oral medicines. If it happens, always ask your doctor what to do. Do not take your medicines without the supervision of our doctors. Sometimes your comedones can persist for more than 4 to 6 weeks. If it happens, it can cause wide pores and some superficial scars. In this case, we have to remove your acne or extract your comedones at our clinic. We may apply some topical creams and then we can extract your comedones without any pain and any side effects. Sometimes, if you have a dry skin and sensitive skin, you can develop irritation to topical applications, or sometimes you may have some allergies to oral medications. In this situation, we can use laser treatments in the form of maybe IPL or non-ablative lasers. Most of the time, you may require 2 to 3 sittings of laser treatment at about 15 to 20 days interval, and it can give you relatively good results and your acne can subside fast. Medication may take about 8 to 12 weeks to show its effect, and it may take about 12 to 16 weeks to clear your acne. Sometimes you can see some breakouts while on treatment. If it happens, do not panic. This is normal. You may develop recurrences while on medication, and hence you need to continue with maintenance treatment for some time. You may have to continue putting topical creams so that you do not develop frequent recurrences and the breakouts. If your acne remains untreated for a period of about 8 to 12 weeks, or if you develop moderate and severe acne, then it can heal leaving behind the scars. Once you develop the scars, it is difficult to treat. So, in our next episode, we will talk about what is the management of acne scar.